Stop right there. If you're about to waste money on the wrong water dispenser, this video will save you hundreds of dollars and countless headaches. I've analyzed expert tests from trusted sources like Frigidaire, Waterdrop testing labs, and independent reviewers who've put these machines through rigorous performance testing. Here's what most people get wrong. They focus on price instead of cold water capacity, heating speed, and long-term reliability. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the exact 6 water dispensers that actually perform in real-world conditions, tested by professionals who measured flow rates, temperature consistency, and durability under high demand. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Now, let's get straight into number 6. Starting our list is the Avalon A1. And here's why this classic deserves attention. Independent testing by Should-It revealed this machine pumps out 193 fluid ounces of ice-cold water per hour, enough to serve 19 people continuously. The compressor cooling system chills water down to 47 degrees Fahrenheit without ice cubes. What makes this stand out? Those large paddle levers. Press your cup against the paddle and water flows instantly. No fumbling with buttons when your hands are full. The hot water reaches 185 degrees in just 2 minutes and 20 seconds per cup, one of the fastest heating times tested. But wait, there's a critical trade-off. The hot water capacity manages only 2 back-to-back servings before needing recovery time. For families, where everyone wants coffee simultaneously, this matters. However, for most households or small offices, performance is rock solid. The slim design fits tight spaces without looking bulky. The child safety lock prevents accidents, and Energy Star certification keeps electricity bills reasonable. Real users report excellent cold water performance and quiet operation. The white finish with black dispensing booth looks clean and professional in any setting. At this price point, you're getting reliable quality that won't quit after 6 months. Number 5. Primo bottom loading. Water dispenser. Moving to number 5, Primo solves the biggest complaint about traditional water coolers: backbreaking bottle changes, no more hoisting heavy 5-gallon jugs overhead. Here's how it works. Open the bottom cabinet, attach the probe to your water bottle, slide it in, close the door, done. Your spine will thank you. The 3-temperature system gives you hot, cold, and room temperature options. The hot water button requires a 2-step push and hold action. Perfect for preventing kids from scalding themselves. The night light feature helps late-night water runs without accidents. Which feature matters most to you? Scorching hot water for instant coffee or ice-cold water that eliminates the need for refrigerator space? Drop your answer in the comments. The cold water stays genuinely cold without ice, and hot water hits temperatures perfect for instant coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. The contemporary black and stainless steel construction looks premium without the premium price tag. However, quality control has been inconsistent. Some units develop leaks or noise issues within the first year. Purchase from retailers with solid return policies like Walmart or Best Buy, not directly. Inspect it thoroughly when it arrives. For budget-conscious buyers who need bottom-loading convenience, Primo delivers decent value with the right precautions. At number 4 sits the Frigidaire EFWC519. Should its laboratory testing showed this dispenser producing 202 fluid ounces of perfectly chilled water every single hour, enough for 20 people, taking an 8.5-ounce glass every 3 minutes. The compressor cooling technology is where Frigidaire dominates. Unlike cheaper thermoelectric units that struggle in warm rooms, this machine maintains consistent 198-degree hot water and refrigerator cold water, regardless of ambient temperature. The stainless steel construction provides durability. This machine weighs less than competitors despite using more metal. The shockproof design and 100-watt cooling power paired with 420-watt heating power means dependable performance. Now here's what the marketing doesn't tell you. The flow rate is slower than button-operated models. If you're filling a large water bottle, expect to wait. The dispensing levers feel somewhat flimsy. They can slip if you're not careful. And this machine stands 43 inches tall. But the cold water performance is exceptional. Tests confirmed it handles high-demand office environments where people constantly grab water. The hot water safety latch prevents accidental burns, and indicator lights clearly show when it's actively cooling or heating. For offices with 15 to 20 people or large families, the Frigidaire EFWC519 provides workhorse reliability. It performs its core function exceptionally well day after day. Cracking the top 3 is the Brio 500 series, where we see serious technological advancement. The self-cleaning UV technology automatically sanitizes the dispenser, eliminating bacteria and biofilms that accumulate in water tanks over time. What this means? Less manual cleaning, fewer health risks, and consistently pure tasting water. The UV light works silently in the background, keeping your water safe without constant maintenance. The tri-temperature dispensing gives you hot water up to 198 degrees, cold water down to 39 degrees, and room temperature, all from dedicated push-button spouts. The digital display shows everything clearly, including an empty bottle indicator. Bottom loading makes bottle changes effortless. The stainless steel reservoirs protect water purity and prevent metallic taste. The nightlight prevents spills during dark hours. Have you ever dealt with gross buildup inside a water cooler? How often do you actually clean yours? Be honest in the comments. Real-world performance is strong. The compressor cools water rapidly while maintaining relatively quiet operation. The child safety lock prevents hot water accidents. The downside? Some units arrive with quality control issues, leaking being most common. The compressor can get loud during cooling cycles. Brio offers limited parts availability for repairs. For families prioritizing hygiene and convenience, the self-cleaning feature alone justifies the investment. The modern design complements any kitchen or office space. Runner-up position goes to the Avalon A5 Bottleless. And this machine fundamentally changes how you think about water dispensers. No more buying bottles, no more delivery schedules, no more storage space wasted. Connect it directly to your water line, and you have unlimited filtered water. The dual-stage filtration system includes sediment filter and carbon block filter, removing chlorine, lead, rust, and bacteria. NSF, certified for safety and effectiveness. Filters last 6 months or 1,500 gallons. Professional testing confirmed this dispenser produces 202 fluid ounces of chilled water per hour, matching top-tier performance. 3 temperature options. Deliver 47-degree cold water, room temperature, and 185-degree hot water. The ozone self-cleaning function sanitizes tanks with the press of a button. Installation takes 25 to 30 minutes. The included kit provides everything needed to connect to your existing water line. The built-in leak detector automatically monitors water flow and shuts off if problems occur. The stainless steel cabinet looks professional. Child safety lock protects kids. Built-in nightlight illuminates spouts in darkness. Push-button operation makes dispensing smooth and controlled. Would you rather deal with heavy water bottles forever or invest in connecting a dispenser to your water line one time? Vote in the comments, bottles or bottleless. The trade-offs? Upfront installation requires basic plumbing skills or hiring help. You're committed to that location unless you reinstall elsewhere. Filter replacement costs around $100 per set, though at 1,500 gallons capacity, the per-gallon cost beats buying bottled water. For homes committed to reducing plastic waste and eliminating bottle deliveries, the Avalon A5 Bottleless offers exceptional long-term value. Number 1. Waterdrop A1 Reverse Osmosis Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. The champion, the Waterdrop A1 RO system. This isn't just a water dispenser, it's a complete water purification station for your countertop. 7-stage filtration, including a 0.0001 micron RO membrane and dual UV sterilization, removes 95% of TDS, 99% of chromium and fluoride, 91% of arsenic, and 99% of lead. Independent laboratory testing by Simple Lab confirmed significant contaminant reduction. This machine makes your water genuinely safer. The game-changing feature? Instant hot and cold water with 6 temperature presets ranging from 41 degrees to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Want ice cold water? Done. Need near boiling water for tea in 3 seconds? Done. The OLED smart display shows real-time TDS levels so you know exactly what you're drinking. The compressor cooling achieves refrigerator cold water without ice. Built-in heating elements bring water to near boiling temperatures instantly. No kettle required. Testing confirmed actual temperatures of 195 to 203 degrees for hot water and 41 to 44 degrees for cold. Setup takes 30 minutes. Install 2 filter cartridges, fill the removable 4-liter tank with tap water, plug it in, flush the system. No plumbing installation required. The 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio means less wasted water than traditional RO systems. Smart features elevate this beyond competitors. Night mode for quiet operation, altitude mode that adjusts boiling point for high elevations, vacation mode that empties residual water, and child safety lock preventing hot water accidents. Real testing revealed exceptional tasting water. Users report heavily chlorinated tap water becomes crisp and clean. Filters last up to 12 months depending on water quality and usage. The downsides? This machine is large, 8 inches wide, 18 inches deep, 17 inches tall. It dominates counter space. The price pushes $650, making it the most expensive option here. You must refill the 4-liter tank manually, which can feel tedious for heavy water drinkers. The compressor gets noisy during cooling cycles. But here's the bottom line. For health-conscious individuals who want absolute best water quality, combined with instant temperature control, nothing beats the Waterdrop A1. You're investing in long-term health, convenience, and eliminating bottled water waste. The upfront cost pays for itself within 2 to 3 years compared to buying filtered or bottled water. Expert testing proved this system outperforms standard dispensers in purification, temperature control, and user convenience. If water quality matters to you, and it should, this is your winner. There you have it. 6 water dispensers that actually perform in 2026. Remember, cheap machines break fast. Quality machines pay for themselves. Grab the links below, read recent reviews, and choose based on your specific needs. Hit that like button if this saved you from a bad purchase, and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews.